hard edges. Too many of them. That's why I use the spray gun. Do you have a tissue with you? Any? I'm gonna buy a box of tissues. Thank you very much. So. Thank you. Then we paint the arcades. Ladies and gentlemen, get a little bit of purple, or maybe a little bit of neutral, a little bit of burnt sienna, all the time the same kind of players, a little bit of lavender because it makes it a little cooler, and I go like this. I don't want to make it too strong. We go like this, go like that. This is the second arcade, ladies and gentlemen, showing at the back. I'm not going too heavy. And we obviously do this. Then I look up above and I see some more shadows and things happening, like I see a line here, I see another little thing, I see architecture features of the arcade, you know, and I go right away for these lines. The background. And ladies and gentlemen,